Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome to Cook and Share. If you got some cans of tuna in your pantry, this is a great thing to make these cheesy tuna balls. Simple to make, incredibly delicious. You're going to love them, so let me walk you through it. So what I've got here is about 340 grams of tuna in water. Now you can use tuna in oil, but I just find it makes it too watery for the tuna balls. I've drained the tuna too. Followed by 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Now I should add with the breadcrumbs, you can use panko, Italian, whatever you like. A beaten egg. 1 green onion chopped finely. A cup of cheddar cheese. 3 tablespoons of Miracle Whip. Now you can just use mayo if you want, but I just like Miracle Whip. It's got a little more sweetness to it. And I'm going to season this up with half a tablespoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper, and you can salt and pepper to taste. So we'll just go ahead and add this in. Grab up my handy dandy wooden spoon and mix this up until everything is well combined. Now I'm going to take my ice cream scoop and scoop up some of the mixture, place it into the palm of my hand, and I'm going to roll this up into a nice ball. Place it into the breadcrumbs, and I'm going to use a couple of forks just to make sure it's completely coated. Go ahead and set these aside on a plate. Now we're going to allow these to chill in the fridge for about an hour, just till they harden up. Okay, after chilling in the fridge for about an hour, they've firmed up, so I'm going to double dredge it. First in my beaten egg mixture. Then into my breadcrumbs. And you want to make sure these are nicely coated. Then back onto the plate. Don't these look incredible? Now I'm going to slip these into some oil at about 350 degrees. And we're going to do these in batches. And what you want to do is just kind of roll these frequently until it's crispy and golden brown. After about 4 minutes, they're a beautiful golden brown, so I'm just going to pull them out and set them aside on a wire rack, just to let that oil drain off. Don't these look incredibly gorgeous? And there you have it, guys, our simple, easy, and not to mention delicious, cheesy tuna balls. Okay, let's cut one open and see what we have here. These look incredibly delicious. And give this a taste test. And we're going to dip this into our favorite sauce. I'm using ketchup, but you can use marinara, honey mustard, whatever you like. These are just incredible. The tuna, the cheese, the spring onions. Just love them. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.